In this standard, the last standard of this unit, F3, we're going to be dealing with linear functions. A linear function is this, a function that when graphed makes a straight line. So a linear function is always a straight line, no matter what. Straight line. If it's not a straight line, it's not a linear function. It's not a linear equation. A nonlinear function is a function that when graphed does not make a straight line. It's a function, but it is nonlinear, meaning not a straight line. A linear function is a graph that is a straight line. It can be represented always by a linear equation, y equals mx plus b, where m represents the slope and b represents the y-intercept. A nonlinear function is any function that is not linear, meaning not a straight line. In a linear function, no variable is raised to a power greater than 1. So if there's an exponent, it's not a linear function. Is the function y equals x to the third power? And I'm going to rewrite that. Y equals x to the third power, linear or nonlinear? Since it has an exponent, it is nonlinear. A function can describe a situation in which one quantity determines another. In a function, the output value, or y, depends on the input, the x. That is why the y value is often called the dependent and the x is called the independent. Okay, so let's look at this table. Given the function y equals, I'm going to rewrite that again, y equals negative half x plus 7, find the missing output values in the table below. Okay, this is really easy. Okay, so we're looking for this guy right here. When x is 2, what is y? So we plug it in. Y equals negative half times 2 over 1 plus 7. Y equals negative 1 plus 7. Y equals 6. And then I would do the same thing for 12. Y equals negative half times 12 plus 7. Y equals negative 6 plus 7. Y equals 1. Input-output table again. So this time I want you to write the linear equation. To do this, the first step, always find your slope. Choose two coordinates. I'm going to choose 2, 5 and 3, 8. Plug that into my slope formula. 8 minus 5 is 3 over 1. So m in this problem is equivalent to 3. Now, y equals 3x plus b. Now, to find b, choose one coordinate. I'm going to choose 3, 8. 8 equals 3 times 3 plus b. 8 equals 9 plus b, subtract 9. Negative 1 equals b. So my slope-intercept form equation is y equals 3x minus 1.